Bonjour mes amis. In today's video, we will learn about les articles partitifs, means partitive articles. So let's get started and know that what are partitive articles and how and when they are used. Now, partitive articles are used before a quantity. It expresses a quantity which is uncounted, unspecified or undetermined. These articles translate to some in English. And like all other articles, these also depend on the gender and the number of the noun. Now, which are the partitive articles? So, firstly, for masculine singular nouns, the partitive article is du. For example, je veux du pain means I want some bread. So here, pain is a masculine singular noun, that is why the partitive article du is used. Then, for feminine singular nouns, the article is de la. Il achète de la confiture means he buys some jam. So, confiture being a feminine noun, the partitive article is de la. Then, del apostrophe for masculine or feminine nouns starting with a vowel. Singular nouns starting with a vowel. So, elle veut de l'eau. Here, O means water. She wants some water. It is a noun which is starting with a vowel and it is a singular noun. So, the L apostrophe. And lastly, for plural nouns, the article is des, des. Nous voulons des bonbons means we want some sweets. Now let's look at a few more examples of partitive articles. Je mange du poulet. Je bois du café. Je mange du fromage. Now here in the first three sentences, all these nouns are masculine singular nouns. So we use the partitive article du. Then, je mange de la confiture. Je mange de la charcuterie. Je mange de la viande. Here the next three words are feminine singular nouns, so de la. Then, je bois de l'eau. Je mange de l'avocat. Now here the nouns are singular and starting with a vowel, so the L apostrophe. Then, je mange des croissants. Je mange des fruits. Je mange des légumes. All these nouns are in the plural form, so we use the partitive article they. Now here is the vocabulary of few of the food items, both masculine and feminine. So by this you will be able to put the appropriate partitive article in the sentences. For example, the first one, le thé. So tea is a masculine noun because le is a masculine article. That is why in the partitive articles we'll use du. The masculine singular noun thé, the article will be du. And for example, the last one, la viande, which means meat. So this one is a feminine singular noun. So when we use the partitive article, it will be de la. Now the question, les articles partitifs ou les articles définis, means whether to use partitive articles or definite articles. So let us see. With few verbs like aimer, adorer, préférer, détester, we use definite articles le, la, les or l apostrophe because these verbs are telling about our likes or dislikes or our taste or preference, which is always fixed. So that is why we always use the definite article. So for example, je mange du poulet means I am eating some chicken. But j'aime le poulet means I like chicken. So my liking for the object, my liking for chicken is definite, it is fixed. So that is why we use the definite article le. Same way, je veux de la viande means I want some meat. Or je préfère la viande means I prefer meat. So my preference here is again fixed. That is why definite article. So I hope the concept of partitive articles is clear and you all have understood. You can leave your feedback or comments in the comment section below and please like and subscribe to the channel. Merci beaucoup.